Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. It's kind of a color blocked, mod inspired 60s type look. I'm really bad with explaining looks. I just wanted to do like a blue-green sort of mix going on. So if you guys like this look and what you see so far, then just keep watching. Start out, I'm just going to take a little base here and put it on my lids. These bangs are like still too long, so I'm gonna have to bounce his wig back. Yeah, cause like I need to like spend some time cutting these bangs because they're like too long and like right here is too short, but like these pieces don't actually go with the bangs. Like it looks bad, so I need to get them fixed. So for this look, I want to do something different. I want to do like a weird shape. So we're gonna experiment a little bit. I'm gonna start with a ColourPop shadow, and this is Donna, so it's this nice deep green and a synthetic flat brush. And we're just gonna kind of play with some makeup. That's all I wanted to do today, is just play with makeup, give like a good look. So we're gonna start by packing these bangs. I'm telling you what, by packing it on right about here, so from the very edge of the tear duct, and bring it about halfway across the lid. And I'm keeping it very close to the lid. I'm not going up into the crease with this, because if the way this comes together like I'm thinking in my head it will, it's gonna be like very abstract kind of art. So I'm gonna pack this down first. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we will blend, but I just want to give myself a nice sturdy base to work with. On the outer half of the lid, I'm going to take this blue here from this Makeup Revolution Passion for Color palette. It's kind of like a glittery blue, but it's not very bright. It's kind of like, it's almost like a smoked out blue. So we are going to take it from wherever your green ends and pack it on. And again, I'm just packing. This is a Luxie 213 eye shading brush. And I'm just packing it on here. And I kind of, you know, am packing and blending at the same time over that seam of the green. Now that we have this kind of like half and half sort of look, I'm going to do the same thing with the crease, but the opposite colors. So the blue is going to be on the inside, the green is going to be on the outside. And the blue I'm going to use in the crease is from this Mar palette. It is called El Rey. It's this one up here in the corner. I'm just going to take an angled brush and tap in. This is a matte shade. And start packing it into the crease, being very gentle. Just so not only does it blend with Donna, which it's blending very nicely, might I add, it's creating a really pretty color, that it doesn't blend too much in with the blue. So it might look a little messy and weird right now, but I promise once it's blended, it'll be very, very pretty. So I'm just packing this on ever so gently and pulling kind of down with my packing motions so that it blends in and you don't have this weird like color blob that I have going on, so that everything's nice and even. Okay, so here you can kind of see we have like a crest of blue and it goes into the green. I think they blended together really nicely. So now we're gonna put our green on the outside. I want to brighten it up a little bit, so I'm gonna go into the Vice 3 palette and we're gonna go into Grasshopper, which is this really bright green. I love this palette. The mirror is gigantic. And we're just gonna, same idea, just blend it at the very seam with the colors and then pack to blend. So pack that color on and then you can blend it down. It's a bit like color blocking, just with like this blue kind of blends into this blue. This green will kind of go into this green a little bit. You can see here we have the color blocking. I think it looks really cool. I am gonna put some stuff on the inner corner, but now I can bring this down a bit and play with the bangs again. So now we need some light colors to highlight the brow bone width and highlight the inner tear duct. So I'm gonna take another flat synthetic brush and go into Detour, which is this kind of shimmery gold, and pack this in the inner corner. This way both the blue and the green have like a stopping point. They don't just kind of come to like a really weird stiff end. To finish this off, I'm gonna go into Discreet, and this is gonna be our brow highlight color and the color we use to blend these top colors together. So this is like a pinky kind of bone color. I'm just gonna go back and forth with it to help give our other colors a nice stopping point in the blend. So now I am going to throw on a little bit of winged eyeliner and mascara, and then we'll be right back to finish the look. All right, so I did contour just because my contour is the same every single time I make. Now it's time to blush. I'm going to use a little bit of NYX Lollipop, right? Lollipop Hop on a big brush just to give me a little bit of color because I am clearly pale as I wash out in the camera. I don't know why a lot of people don't use blush. I don't know if it's because they want to be like really, really pale or really, really tan. So they want to be like one kind of flat bronzy color, or if people just aren't into it. Also, I'm loving, the longer I wear this, the longer I love the like Betty Page bangs that I'm getting. Like they do need to be evened out. Like they're a little bit choppy, but as I sit here and just look at like the volume in the back and the way these are sitting on my face, I kind of live for it, but I will never cut bangs again. Now I'm going to use Monster to highlight. This is a ColourPop highlighter. It is a pink lavender shade. So the last step is some lipstick, and I'm going to use Double Dare from NYX, and this is a gray lipstick. So it kind of plays on the blue and the green. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it's kind of cool, kind of mod sort of vibes. Maybe it's just the hair with the bangs, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch out for a giveaway coming very soon. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.